Hey friends! Are you on the hunt for a smartphone with a budget-friendly price tag but jam-packed with incredible features? If so, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about a Nokia phone that's about to shake up the market. This stunning smartphone is rumored to come with a spectacular 200-megapixel DSLR-like camera, a massive 7,800 mAh battery, and a ton of other amazing features. That's right, we're talking about the Nokia X500 Ultra 5G. In this video, we'll dive into all the details about this smartphone's features, price, and launch date. So let's get started. First up, let's talk about the display. This phone is expected to feature a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. With a 120Hz refresh rate, your scrolling and gaming experience will be incredibly smooth. Plus, with Gorilla Glass 6 protection and an IP68 rating, this phone is built to last. So, if it accidentally takes a dip in the water, you don't have to worry. Now let's get to the biggest highlight, the camera. Nokia has supposedly packed a quad camera setup into this phone. The primary camera is a whopping 200 megapixels, allowing you to capture stunning DSLR quality photos. It also includes a 50 megapixel ultra-wide and a 32 megapixel wide-angle camera, with an 8 megapixel macro lens for those up-close shots. And for all you selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera. On top of all that, this phone can even shoot videos in breathtaking 8K resolution. In terms of performance, this phone doesn't hold back. It's rumored to come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset and 12 GB of RAM, making multitasking and high-end gaming feel incredibly fluid. It'll run on the Android 16 operating system, which is, honestly, super fast and secure. When it comes to the battery, you'll find a monstrous 8,000 mAh battery that can easily last for 2 to 3 days. And if you do run low, the 100-watt fast charging can get you a full charge in just 25 minutes. Now for the most important part, the price. According to reports, the Nokia X500 Ultra 5G could be priced around $450. And as for the launch date, this phone is expected to hit the market around December 2025. So what do you think of this Nokia smartphone? Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. See you in the next one.